Hello traders, this is Kosha Daniel from Crush Pro Trading, and in today's video I'm gonna go through the stocks in the Nikkei 225, and I've been actually going through it like a little bit earlier on, and I found a few interesting stocks that I'll be looking forward to trade like tomorrow. And yes, these are very, I think, nice opportunities. There are a lot of them that I have on my watch list that I'm waiting for them to develop, but I got like one, two, three, four, five, six of them which I like how they performed, and then I'm very close to pull the trigger on them. So just to make it very quick, I'm gonna go through them and show you. Let's start with 2269. This is Meiji Holdings, and what I've seen here is that the market just reached one of my critical levels here and reversed, which this is what I like. I'm waiting to go short on this stock and then target the low of the ABC formation. So that will be the end of the target. And of course I like to take out half of my position, 50%, throughout my target. But Meiji Holdings look like really nice for a short for tomorrow. Market it's closed right now. I forgot to mention it's almost 6 p.m. so the market in Japan. So the market closed around 3 p.m. so the whole analysis is being done after the market is being closed, and it's prepared for tomorrow. Next one is 2914. 2914, and this is Japan Tobacco Corporation. Also very nicely, market was kind of in a sideways movement going down. It reached one of my levels here. I would call more of a zone, not actually a level. I'm not waiting for the market to target a price level. I'm waiting for the market to target more of a zone, and this is the zone that I've been waiting for it to target. I can see maybe a reversal coming up, so for this one I'm just waiting another reversal confirmation on it. Oops, yep, let's go on the 1 hour chart just to see it more clear. So the market went down, targeted my level here, and I'm waiting for it to buy here. Overall target should be this high over here, 2031. Right now we're at 1950 yen per share, and yeah, I'm just waiting for a reversal to happen and then go long. Third one would be 6770. 6770.
As a comment from the European Union.
Yes, so 6770. This is Alpine company. It dropped all the way to this level here. You can see that there was two previous levels which market just went through them without having like a major reaction to that or any clear reversals. So we see the last one, which I don't think it's that strong, but in this case I'm waiting for a reversal to happen, and I think the reversal might come tomorrow. And an engulfing bar here, a engulfing pattern would look really nice, and then go long for it, and then the overall target would be here, up here at 1704. Okay, now as I previously mentioned, I always like to take half of my position, 50%, on the way of, or like when the price moves towards my long-term target. And yeah, so in this case waiting for a reversal, and then I would like also not only that the reversal in like candlestick patterns, but I like to see also like momentum supporting me, and I would like to see more of also other factors coming together and help me out take that trade decision. But so far these three markets, they look really great as a potential opportunities to get into the market. And continuing, we go forward to 8309 8309. Okay, this is Sumito Mitsui Trust Holdings. Market here just dropped a little bit below my level, and there's the engulfing pattern happening just right below the level, that level. Now the trick here is that it went through it, but it happened right like below it, right? I mean, it didn't go all the way down to the next level. It just happened below it. I'm waiting for a reversal to happen here again, and I'm also supported by my momentum strategy, which is really great. And also, just a quick reminder, for every opportunity that I share here today, I'm waiting for a confirmation. I'm really close to pull the trigger, but the confirmation needs to be there. So I'm still waiting for that. Next one would be 3009. 3009. Oh, 3099, sorry. Here we go. This is Isetan Mitsukoshi Holdings. Market dropped really nice, and it's about at my level, a little bit high here, above my level, but I would like to see the engulfing pattern happening here at my level, and then I would go long for the 602 level, 601. And yes, this looks like a really promising scenario also. And the last one would be 4543. 4543. This is Terumo Corporation. It dropped into my level, reversed. There's no engulfing pattern, but like the way it reversed, I really liked it. And I'm waiting for right now another reversal for a buying opportunity to go for the upside with the target at 4,447. Now, I haven't done like any videos lately regarding the markets and the overview of the markets and everything, because I haven't seen that many interesting stuff happening, and I wanted to make sure that I can really provide like a good quality or good opportunities that I see out there happening. And today I've seen a number of them happening right now in the Nikkei 225 index. So this watch list, the whole watch list here, there are all the stocks in the Nikkei 225 that I like to analyze always, either before the market opens, Japan time, Japanese market, yeah, opens, and or after the market closed, right? And these are the ones that I've seen today for the Japanese market. Now, of course, there are a lot of elements that come into my plan. How do I get to see those opportunities? How do I find them? What are all of the elements that I like to see coming together before I pull the trigger on that trade? And all of that information, you guys can have it, and you can get it and find it out once you log in into our webpage at Crush Pro Trading, and check out our strategies there. We have multiple strategies there that we can show you and teach you how to trade these markets. And this is one of the strategies that we offer for you guys. And of course, I'm not gonna go through that and give all the details right now, so you just log in there and see what's going on, and then of course we can help you out with your trading. Now this is for what I see today. I have another one that I look at on the FX chart, like the forex on the Aussie Japanese yen. uh, this market correcting itself and then dropping through two of my levels and getting to the third one, which I think it's really strong. It did an engulfing pattern here, so it looks good for a buy, and I would be looking to get long on this position all the way to my long-term targets at 77.73. So there's a good 300 and 360 pips there. Of course, I analyze the market with kind of the same strategy for most of the markets, and not only FX or stocks. I go through indexes and through some of the commodity CFDs on for commodities. So keep trying to pay attention for the videos that are being posted here, and then I'll try to keep you guys posted with most of the opportunities that I'm looking at. Thank you for watching this video today, and don't forget to check us out at crushprotrading.com, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.